Question number 17 in this calculus chapter 1.5 says g of x, it defines g of x as 3 plus x plus e to the x, and it asks for the inverse of g of 4, the inverse g of 4. So first of all, what's really important is really we should just interpret this slightly differently and say, since it's an inverse, this really is our x and our output is going to be y. So we end up with this is going to be our input is y for this function on the left, and our input is our x. So what we're really saying is that g of x is some output of 4. And we're trying to find this value here. We're trying to find the x. So the equation then now looks like this. 4 is equal to 3 plus x plus e to the x. Now this cannot be solved algebraically because there's an x outside the exponent and an x inside the exponent. So we either have to solve this by graphing, or we can solve this by inspection. And if I were to look at this equation, I know that 3 plus 1 equals 4. And if I have x as 0, well, this is going to give me the 1 that I need. So by inspection, or by guessing essentially, I can say that x must be equal to 0. And if I plug it in, I get 4 is equal to 3 plus 0 plus e to the 0. Yeah, that checks out, so x equals 0. Otherwise, this equation, if we can't solve this by inspection, we have to graph. Okay? And again, it's because they have an x inside the exponent and x outside the exponent, we can't isolate those x's separately.